I'm a topper at my university or my school level. So definitely I should qualify my competitive exam. Why is it so that I'm unable to qualify my competitive exam despite the fact I'm getting 90% plus? I'm among the top 5 students in my university or a school. The simple reason is there is a huge difference in the preparation. In the schools, in the universities, in the colleges, you have a prescribed syllabus. Now, once the syllabus is prescribed, the kind of questions are fixed, you definitely have a scope of performing well. Sometimes internals also play an important role. But when it appears with the competitive examination, when it comes to the competitive examination, the most important thing is the syllabus is vast. You just have a broad outline of the syllabus. The depth could be any detail. So you have to be very well prepared, well versed, and be familiar with variety of questions, variety of things before you appear for the examination. So make sure that despite you are securing good marks in your school or your university does not imply that you would surely qualify your competitive exam. The way that you need to prepare for the two exams is a little different. Despite the thing, the content remains the same, the syllabus remains more or less the same, but the approach that you are taking for the two exams is different, and it's important that you identify the correct approach at the right time so that you get good marks in your competitive exams as well, which these days have increased their importance over the conventional exams. So make sure you are on your right track, preparing dedicatedly, solving the past year papers, understanding what kind of questions are usually asked. Sometimes, let's say there is a simple rule on divisibility by 8, but the question on divisibility by 8 can be of an Olympiad level. So you need to understand in a competitive examination, the depth of the question is much detailed as compared to the school or the university syllabus, where the kind of questions you have been practicing in your curriculum would be the kind of questions that would be asked in your examination. So that's one of the very important differences. For competitive examination, you need to practice lots and lots of questions. The higher number of questions you practice, the better results and the better output you would get for a competitive exam.